Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow greens in containers easy guide. Start by selecting a pot with drainage holes and a depth of at least 6 inches, then fill it with a quality potting mix. Position containers where they get 4 to 6 hours of sun. Water thoroughly after planting and label varieties so you know harvest timing and care needs as seedlings establish. Begin seeds at the depth noted on the packet and keep consistent moisture until they sprout, which improves germination rates. Thin seedlings to the spacing recommended for each green to reduce competition and prevent fungus issues. Fertilize lightly with a balanced liquid feed every 2 to 3 weeks once true leaves appear, and rotate containers occasionally for even growth and sunlight exposure so plants stay healthy. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and handy timers to your gardening routine, which is great when you're balancing watering and harvesting. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching this short break, and now let's get back to the video. Harvest outer leaves frequently to encourage new growth and extend your harvest season, being gentle to avoid damaging the plant crown. Check plants weekly for pests such as aphids and treat early with a gentle soapy water spray or hand removal. Refresh potting mix or top dress with compost between plantings to replenish nutrients, and consider succession, sowing every 2 to 3 weeks for a steady supply of fresh greens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.